Hello, welcome to Recipes by Janki. Today I'm going to share very easy, quick and instant chakli recipe that does not need any extra process. So you can see it's so crispy and crunchy. Can you hear the crunch? Yep, and there is no much oil. So let's start the recipe. So for that, into the bowl I'm taking 2 cups of rice flour. And to make it more crispy and soft, I'm using roasted chana, that is daria, that is half cup of roasted chana. If you don't have roasted chana, you can use besan, that is gram flour. And I will make it a powder of this roasted chana and sieve it through the sieve. Make sure you sift it to take these big particles out. Now into the mix, I will add around half a teaspoon of ajwain, that is carom seed, 1 teaspoon of til, that is sesame seed, salt to taste, pinch of turmeric powder, red chili to taste. Here I have taken around a teaspoon. Now give it a good mix. So for moin, here I am using a sour cream, but if you don't want to use the sour cream, you can use oil or butter. Here I am adding around 3 teaspoon of sour cream. So this will make very soft and crispy. Now give it a good mix. Make sure everything is well combined with the sour cream. Once you see everything is well combined, I will add lukewarm water. So this will help bind the flour very easily. And I will add little by little, don't add too much at the once. So here I have taken 1 cup of lukewarm water and I had almost used all. There's only 2 tablespoons left. So just make sure you don't add all at once. We want a soft dough. Now we can see it start binding together, so we will not add any other water. So for that we need to knead this dough for at least 2 to 3 minutes. So here we can see it's not combined well, but once you knead it for 2 to 3 minutes, it will be well combined and it will be very soft, smooth dough. Now you can see it has changed its color a little bit after kneading it for 2 minutes. Now this looks almost good to me. You can see it is soft and smooth. Now here I am using a safe sancha to make a chakli and using that star shaped mold. So I will add the enough size of the dough to the sancha. Now we will make a chakli, form a chakli. So here I am using a non-sticky cutting board, but if you don't have, you can use any of the stainless steel plate and just apply some oil. So now we will move our hand in a circular motion to give it a chakli shape. If you don't have this sancha, you can use a Ziploc bag and use the star shape nozzle to give us this shape. Now pinch the end and just tuck it with the chakli. So now you can see it's I'm just moving my hand slowly to give a shape. Same way I will finish doing with all. I will show you from the top. I am moving my hand and turning the knob. So you can see I have finished doing with all. So now on the side I have heat up the oil on a medium heat. Now take a small piece of dough and just put it in oil. If it comes right away on the top, then just start adding the chakli. Here I'm using a flat spatula to put the chakli in oil, so that way it is safe and it is very easily sliding into the oil. Now we won't we won't touch it until we see it start floating on the top. Now we can see it starts floating on the top. So now we will flip it. So we will just keep flipping for every 2 minutes. It will take time. Just make sure you don't take it out early, otherwise it won't be very crispy. So it's a good tip. If you see there were like lots of bubbles on the top, now there is very less bubbles, so that means it is almost done. And you can see it has changed its color as well. So it took me around 3 to 4 minutes for one batch. Now you can see it has changed its color and this is ready. Same way I will finish frying for all. Just take it on a paper towel. So now you can see it's ready. So do try my recipe. Please like, share and subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching.